Muraibi kiama kia United Green Movement hoyibo igorengo munachebino munene haigemejense David Maraga igaruro kubolia gochiasa serikali nene kubwatoka chibesa gochiasa serikali chechi county ubunenchiremo yo kwegendelia kukwana chingeke cyo Maraga nigaterebuna inerenchireyemo abana inchi baranyoro bakorera buya chingeke chiga bagendete kwerobeli gochigochora serikali asobochori omwaka w'ekirubere 2025.
I am demanding that the government takes 6 concrete action measures starting now. Number 1, deploy mobile drying units to affected farmers before the harvest rots. Number 2, release county emergency funds immediately so that the counties themselves begin making the necessary preparations. Number 3, implement the Ukombozi petition the UGM party submitted to Parliament to tap unemployed youth to build flood defenses, and by so doing they will be employed. Mobilize every local and international resource openly and transparently and account for disaster-related expenditures in real time. Stock health facilities as a precautionary measure against the disease outbreak. And lastly, relocate the affected people to safety with dignity. We will not again allow state officials to exploit a national crisis or a disaster to create business opportunities for politically connected cartels. We have had them in the past, and we all know about that. This could easily be what the government is waiting for, so that they can get the cartels benefit from such a situation.